Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1976 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible. Yes folks, a fine Beetle has made it onto the lot once again. Of course you know that the Beetle was home to many different things, even so such as Herbie the race car. Maybe in high school you had your fine little Beetle taking it up and down the road, getting that nice wind going through your face. Of course we all know that the older style Volkswagens are so much better than the newer style Volkswagens. Even so, take a look at how beautiful this car is compared to that ugly, I don't even know what you call that abomination GTI right there. But even so, going to the vehicle we have here, featuring a beautiful exquisite red exterior. As you can see, it does have these shiny chrome Volkswagen wheels with its caps. As for our fine top, it is a manual, not a power top. One of the saddest things that Volkswagen ever did, but even so, when you think about it, it is so much better to have a manual top by not doing all the work and worrying about the leaky gears and all those pumps leaking all over the back of your seat. But even so, we all know that its small little design is the perfect automobile to drive at any type of occasion. Even so, safe-wise when you have two mirrors on the both sides. But as we look on the inside, you will see we have a fine cloth interior, mixture of black, red, and even light gray. Even so, for our steering wheel, you will see we have the protective cover to save from deterioration. Why worry about all the complications when you have gauges, when you have the only thing you need here, a gas gauge and a speedometer, which is perfectly working in good functionality. Even so with our 4-speed manual shifter. And with these fine little bugs, you are given a little description how to drive a manual right there underneath the speedometer. But as for audio system, you will see we have a later model Saudi with built-in cassette and built-in speakers into the kick panels. But as I said before, we have the cloth bucket seats, and yes, even a little bit of room in the back seat. Fun fact about these bugs, usually sometimes the VIN or even the battery, most likely the battery, was underneath the back seat. But as we're cruising right now, we are having fun in our little bug, going through all the gears. But even so, we know, fun fact, where the engine in our fine little bug is located in the back. Very short, 1.8, I believe, 8 or 6 liter motor. But even so, it's fine to have a motor in the back than the front. You don't have to feel the heat from the heat shield or anything from the front pressing against you. You can get in that bug, drive it, and go. But even so, right now we are in a little bit of traffic, but as soon as we get out of it, we're going to open it up a little bit, show you how the bug is not just a slow little car, but a fun little driving automobile. Which even so, as I'm revving it right here, sounds good coming from the back exhaust. In fact, let's get onto it. I honestly don't know why we don't have more of these cars on the road. It is definitely kicking booty right now, handling the street just fine. Even so, in 4th gear, you can hear how good it sounds, how well she's taking on the road, and yes, even so, a smooth handling little ride. But as for now, no, we are just going to get it turned around safely up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.